It's time for Play in the Park. Woohoo!
Hi, this is Kirsty from Play in the Park. Today we have the lovely Brooke and her little lamb Lily. And they're going to show us how to make scrambled eggs today. Now Brooke has been making, well, she started helping me make scrambled eggs when she was about 2, and by the time she was around 4 she could nearly make them all by herself. So what have we got there today, Brooke?
So we've got some salt and pepper, got some chives and milk and eggs.
Yes, and that's all we need. We've also got the whisk and the bowl, and she cut up her chives earlier with the scissors. So first we're going to take the eggs. Now if we're going to have 2 eggs each for lunch, Brooke, how many eggs do we need if we've got 2 people? 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, so if you can get the eggs and you can start cracking them on the cup. Now we've put the cup in the bowl because sometimes when they're learning we get eggs everywhere. So if it goes outside of the cup into the bowl, that's fine. Just keeps things a bit tidier. And we've got the other little bowl there to put the eggshells into. There's 1. 2. Now this takes some practice cracking eggs. Brooke's gotten a lot better than when she started. Crack it on the edge and then you stick your thumbs where the crack is, don't you, Brooke? And then pull it apart and it opens the egg up. So there's our 4 eggs. You've got gloopy fingers. Okay, so we're going to tip that into the bowl. Now you can put the other things in any order you like. So what are you going to put in next, Brooke?
Milk.
A milk. So I've got a bit of milk, probably between 1/4 and 1/2 cup. It's fine for that amount of eggs. I'm just going to put in her chives. You could put in other things like parsley or marjoram or anything you like, or some cheese. She enjoyed chopping the chives up with the scissors too. We've got all the chives in. What's next?
Mixing it.
What else have you forgotten to put in? Salt and the pepper.
Pepper?
Do you like lots of pepper?
No.
Why not?
Because it's spicy.
Too spicy for you, hey? So we'll put in a tiny bit of pepper. I like pepper though, so we'll compromise. And some salt. It's probably enough. We can get our whisk and mix it all up. You might have to be a bit firmer with that whisking, Brooke. Can you break the egg yolks while you're whisking? How quickly can you do it without splushing it everywhere? So this is good. They can have a go, and if you need to help them at the end, mix it up a little bit more, then you can do that. But it's quite fun for the kids. Okay, so it's nearly ready to cook, isn't it? Shall we stop the camera and I'll help you mix it up a bit more and then we'll cook it?
Yeah.
Yep, okay. Okay, we've cooked the eggs. I turned the hot plate on and poured in a little oil into the pan. Brooke has done it before, but I've explained to her that it's very hot and a bit dangerous up there, and I'll stand right beside her because you would not want to leave a little kid alone next to a hot plate. But yeah, she's done it all herself before, and it only takes a couple of minutes to cook, and it tastes quite good. What do you think, Brooke? Are you going to have a taste? Is it good? It's one of your favourite things, isn't it? Yeah, it's pretty cool that you can do it yourself. Okay, hope you enjoy your scrambled eggs. Bye everyone.